Hello everyone, your Mext guide is back. I am Snaula here with a new question. I would say the most frequently asked question, which is whether IELTS or TOEFL is required for Mext scholarship. So I am going to explain it a very comprehensive way. So let's discuss this issue. So actually, you don't need IELTS or TOEFL. However, most of the university needs IELTS or TOEFL. But if you have studied from your bachelor's or master from a university where medium instruction was English, then you don't need IELTS or TOEFL score. You can simply ask the university to make an English language proficiency certificate, and upon sending that English language proficiency certificate to the university, you can exempt actually IELTS or TOEFL. So you don't need IELTS or TOEFL if you have English language proficiency certificate. I'm not talking about some university. Most or almost all of the university accept English language proficiency certificate. So if you are applying to Japanese government Mext scholarship, so you can apply through English language proficiency certificate, and you don't need IELTS or TOEFL. So best of luck and thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel, and good luck for the new video. Thank you.